one time.
Shells on the beat, nigga.
Crazy. Shaky pen boys, that nigga Drizzo man. RGM general, nigga. Crazy. Somebody talking about me high now. Crazy. Like I'm scared of your own hood. Crazy. Like I'm high from somebody. Crazy. What the fuck is that supposed to be?
For the cash flow, I get it. I'm Kush smoking Al Green. Blow from what it seem. I count the money with the team.
Okay.
In my dreams, I am the team. We off that Yoda, fuck that soda. Well, oil machine, baby. You can be that pretty lady. Then you be a groupie lady. Fuck my damn team, baby. Drizzo man, I'm the man. These bars be super shady. Unlimited range McGrady. Fucking with a bad bitch. Old lady, not my baby. No, she can't have my baby. Vision so hazy. This money fugazi. Rap style crazy. Born 1980s. Drizzo man, dog. You can call a nigga crazy. Wordplay super loud. You can smell it through the zip. I think I'm going crazy. I know I'm going crazy.
Wait till I upgrade my material. Shit like this need to be fast forwarded through. You know, until I do the video, they fast forward.
It'll block out the noise, you'll see the process.
Yeah, but there's no need for this to be included. So,
Well, make sure you guys put the videos in there and put the part.
I thought I had disclosed on it. Talk, Big T.
I'm just saying,
Ooh, here we go, y'all. As usual, terrible box, and you know it's a bullshit box when you see that. The bullshit you can find on the box. That fingerprint. Bullshit stuff. Let's see what this shit say. Air Jordan Retro 11, black, white, and red. Yeah. Black, white, and red. Anyways, these last 3 pairs of shoes that y'all seen, they all came from the same seller who told me carbon fiber, quote unquote, real carbon fiber, quote unquote. Anyways, it wasn't, but we have another Jordan card, retro, as we got another Jordan Retro 11 card. There y'all go with the Michael Jordan on there. Another retro card. We got this little carbon fiber paper in here, this carbon fiber paper and whatnot. Anyways, so we got carbon fiber paper, which I didn't ask for all that, but hey man, he gave me a little box of stuff that put the shoes in, and I got these. As we can see, I got these boys. By the title, as y'all can see, you already know what the title says. Damn, I forgot these two. The 72 and 10s. Yeah, these are the 72 and 10s. Ooh. Anyway, 72 and 10s. You got the red. Shit, trying to see my camera focus there. Anyway, red Jumpman in here. Carbon fiber, as we can see. Not carbon fiber, but plastic. Not carbon fiber. There's some plastic. Supposed to be carbon fiber, but it ain't nothing but plastic, anyways. But they look alright for the little price. Gotta get that lace right up here real quick, so I'm gonna have them in there like these. But anyway, we got these 72 and 10s. Like I said, ain't too bad. Little semi-stitching flaw, like as you can see right here. Is that Jumpman lined up with that 23? That one look a little bit better lined up. This right here is embroiled. The 23 on here is embroiled. Compared to the last two, me and my girl took it in. It's embroiled, but look like it's. If y'all can see that, don't look. Well, now it looks like it's lined up, but does that look lined up to y'all? It looks like it's in the mid. It's center, kind of good. It look like it's kind of off. I don't know. What kind of center? Who knows? Who cares? Who will be looking back at there? That one. The center. Come on, focus camera. Focus on this camera. Let me get my camera to focus. There y'all go. I put my finger on it. Anyways, that one looks centered. Look very centered. It's embroiled on here. These right here are very. These right here. Now these are better. If that carbon fiber was real, these boys would be worth it. This carbon fiber, it's plastic, so it's plastic, not real carbon fiber. But overall, these boys look nice. I didn't pay too much, as I could see with these shoes. Peeky. Hold on now. Here's a peek. And there's a little peek white. Okay, these ones ain't peaked up like how the other ones was all peaked up all to death. As you can see, if y'all can see that. Hold on, can I get closer? Gotta get closer. If you can see this. I don't know if I can see it. Shit. It's hard to see. Where is it? This peak right here so goddamn it's so damn little. But anyways, I should stand my black ass up. Anyways, right here, there's the peak. Here's the peak. And the last peak is right on that corner edge right here. There's that last peak. That little stitching, I cut that off, that little sticking out stitch. Even though I'm stitching, I cut that off. Anyways, peak. Another little peak. These peaks are little because it's a cheaper model shoe. Here's another little peak. And these boys are not bad. These are fresh for what they pay for. These remind you of the Jubilees. If you get the Jubilees, you pretty much know what these are, because the Jubilees look similar to this. It's just that the Jubilees are just I think the Jubilees are just basic black. It's not like with this like glittery black around it. And you know the Jubilee got the Jumpman, got that. I think that Jumpman on the Jubilees is white or silver. The silver metal Jumpman with the 23, the silver 23 that's embroidered on there too, embroidered on there like this. But these ain't bad for what it is. And that's the review on these. Got these from a little seller. All the last 3 shoes you've seen all came from the same seller. Like, if you want to rock with that seller, let me know, and I'll let you know what it is. But yeah, as far as I know, this video ran on long enough. I'm finna do. I'm finna try these boys. I'm gonna be rocking these. I don't care. I'm gonna rock these boys. I'm gonna ready these little boys out. I don't care. Oh yeah, before I go, you know I gotta show y'all that one last thing. What size are these shoes that I got? What size are these? Oh, 11. So 11. Gotta give them 11. Paper thin insole. Paper thin. I got a little couple dollars left over to splurge. I'm gonna take a chance and buy me some more high quality maintenance. I'm gonna buy a high quality shoe again. I'm gonna go to probably Nike, go shop online and buy me a shoe. So I'm gonna try to find me a Jordan that I want to catch on sale and buy real quick, just so I can do another review on that. Cause I'll be talking about my insoles and stuff like that, and I'll be talking about how paper thin. As a matter of fact, hold on, I think I got a Jordan in the back room with an insole. Hold on. So I tested out one of my Jordans in the back room. I didn't break it out here because I didn't want to put my insole out and pull it apart from my glue or whatever. But the way it felt like kind of like a plus. Like you got a little plus on it, like you know, it's paper. They be paper thin too, but it got like a little cushion to it that makes it feel better than what these feel like from across that water. But I'm still rocking it across the water. And I got, like I said, I bought a couple of BKG items. I got a couple more little items coming from, and I've been splurging on a couple little other things too. So I'm gonna still keep going, and I'm gonna still keep going for right now, and getting other stuff and whatnot. I'm still getting a couple little things more just so I can rock and wear. Calling it a day. But until then, if you've been rocking with me this long, thank you very much. And if you continue rocking with me, I appreciate that too. So until then, as my girl would say, peace, love, hair grease. I'm out. You anything to say, woman?
Peace and hair grease.
Yeah. All right, y'all.